Man, it's just so good to see you.
It's good to see you too, man. It's been a while.
It's been too long. What's been going on with you?
I've been at this VA loan thing for weeks, actually. Drowning in websites, rules. Look, I don't even know what I know and what I don't know, or where to start.
Dude, why are you making it so complicated? Just download the VA Loan Facts app.
The VA what?
It's an app for veterans buying a home. You get answers to all your loan questions, your eligibility, your benefits, the loan process itself, even those little quirky one-off questions.
So you're telling me I'm done with the Google searches, endless websites and all that stuff?
All of it. Plus you get connected with a VA loan expert, to make sure you get the best deal. And it's like having your own VA loan guide right there in your hand.
That's a game changer. It looks like I'll be house hunting sooner than I thought.
Hey. Cheers.
Hey, to making life easier.
VA Loan Facts. The answers you need. The home you deserve. Download today.